Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about how to answer about this one. We need to find about complementary solutions and particular solutions. So in this one, I will put about yc. That is about e to the power of lambda s. Later that, we need to find first the derivative of yc, and that is about lambda e to the power of lambda s. So if we want to find first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of lambda s. You got lambda. Now we go to second the derivative of yc. And we have like this. Because this is about complementary solutions. So I will put this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. So we can do about factorization by e to the power of lambda s. So we need to find the solutions of this one. So I will put number 2 go to the right. And now we can find two solutions. That is about the square root of number 2 and negative of the square root of number 2 after we put the square root for the both sides. So we have yc. That is about c number 1 e to the power of the square root of number 2 of s. We change the lambda. We need to change lambda gone here. That's why we have this one. We have c number 2 e to the power of negative of the square root of number 2s. And now we go to particular solutions. So we can see that we have 4s squared e to the power of s squared. So I will put about yb. That is about 8 plus bs plus cs squared multiplied by e to the power of s squared. Because we have the highest power, that is about s squared. So that's why we need to create like this. Next, we need to do first the derivative of yb. So we need to do first the derivative of this one. And we got b plus 2cs e to the power of s squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of this one, and that is about 2s, and we have 8 plus bs plus cs squared e to the power of s squared. And now we go to second the derivative of yb. So we need to do first the derivative of this one, and we have 2c e to the power of s squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of this one, and you got about 2s b plus 2c s e to the power of s squared. The next one, I will distribute in this one in here. and then we can do first the derivative of this one. So 2s and s, that is about 2s squared. First derivative of 2s squared, that is about 4s. So that's why we have this one. And the last one, that is about 2s and s squared. So we have 2s to the power of 3. So if we do first derivative of this one, that is about 6s squared c. And we have e to the power of s squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of this one, and you got about 2s. 2s and 2s, we have 4s. 4s distribute for a, bs, cs squared. So that should be like this. Next, we know that we have second derivative of y and negative 2y. So we just select about this one and this one. So we have like this. So we can do about factorization by e to the power of s squared. And we have 2c, 2sb, 2cs with 2c, we have 4cs squared. The next one, we have 2a, 4bs, 6cs squared, plus 4s squared 8, plus 4bs to the power of 3, plus 4cs to the power of 4. And we have minus 2a, minus 2bs, minus 2cs squared. So we need to simplify. So negative 2a, positive 2a, we cancel. 2bs, 2bs, negative 2bs, we cancel. So 2cs squared. So we have 4c plus 6c minus 2cs squared. That is about 8cs squared. So we have 2c. We have 4s squared 8, 4bs to the power of 3, plus 4cs to the power of 4. So we have 4s squared in here, 8s squared. We can do about factorization by s squared. So after we got everything, we can see that This is about 4x squared e to the power of x squared. That means this one in here equals to number 4. We don't have to C, so C equals to number 0. We don't have S to the power of 3, so B equal to number 0. So similar for the last one, C equals to number 0. So in this one, I will put C cone here, and we got 8 equals to number 4. So 8 equals to number 1. So A equals to number 1, B equals to number 0, C equals to number 0. So in this one, we put ABC cone here, and we got about YB. That is about e to the power of x squared. And now we combine the answer in here. So this one, that's it in here. And YB, that is about e to the power of x squared. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.